This is lesson 4.4, Division Ties to Multiplication, the parent help video for grade 3 everyday math. We do have a few vocabulary words to go over before we get started here. And in order to actually model these vocabulary words, I'm just going to use a division problem to do it with. So if we have, let's say, 15 divided by 5, and then we have an answer which is 3. So in this case, 15 divided by 5 equals 3. We know the answer is 3. So the answer is the quotient. Okay, so this is the answer to a division problem. It has a special name and it's called the quotient. Alright? Then we have something called the dividend. Well, the dividend right here is this total before sharing. Total before. So it's the total that we have. We haven't broken anything up yet. Before sharing. Okay, and then the divisor, the divisor is the number of equal parts, or it's the number in each equal part. But it's this number here that we're dividing by. Okay, so the divisor is the number, the number we divide by. We divide by. Okay, and that's right here. Now, we also have remainder. In this case, there wasn't a remainder, because that is the number that's left over. And all of this is when we're talking about a division problem. So it's the number left after sharing. Okay? So as far as what we want kids to get out of this lesson, we want them to be able to use multiplication facts to solve division problems. So we want them to notice, well, maybe I don't know 15 divided by 5, but I know that 3 times 5 equals 15. Okay, and be able to use that. So please have them practicing multiplication facts. We want them to be able to use arrays and diagrams to model equal sharing and equal grouping number stories. Also, we want them to be able to know these vocabulary words and know the different, where they are located in the division problem. And then we want them to be able to write number sentences to model number stories. So if there was a number story that said the farmer had 15 chickens. He put the chickens, he put them into 5 coops. Alright, how many chickens were in each coop? He put them into 5 coops. He put them equally, we'll say equally. He divided them equally into 5 coops. How many chickens are in each coop? Okay, and so this would be a great number story, a number model for that number story, right up there. 15 divided by 3, because we have 15 total chickens, divided by 5 coops, right, equals 3 chickens per coop. So we want them to be able to kids to be able to come up with those number stories. As far as how you can help at home with this, please have them practicing their multiplication and division facts. Just review this vocabulary with them. Have them show equal sharing and equal grouping. Come up with number stories that will help with that, and have them solve them. And just any story that arises in your own lives, in your own family lives, that uses division or multiplication. Please talk about that and have kids working on those problems and solving them with you. So this is lesson 4.4, Division Ties to Multiplication, the parent help video for grade 3 everyday math. Alright.